How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 remote. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, pull up on the backrest release lever, then tip the backrest forward onto the chair seat. Now, remove the two screws that secure the remote control bracket to the power panel. Pull the remote cables out of the backrest, then disconnect the connectors. Make sure the connectors do not fall into the backrest. You can now remove the remote from the chair. To install the new remote, connect the remote connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair. Push the connectors into the backrest until the remote bracket is flush with the power panel. Replace the two screws to secure the remote bracket to the power panel. Slide the remote into the remote holder on the left-hand side of the chair. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. Then confirm that the chair is working properly.